In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add taxes to online sales in Freshbooks. It's a straightforward process, but it's crucial to ensure your invoices are accurate and compliant with tax regulations. Let's dive into it. First up, we need to create a new invoice. To do this, navigate to the Invoices section within your Freshbooks dashboard. This is where all your billing activities take place, and it's the hub for creating any new invoice you need. Once there, start a new invoice specifically for your online sale. This step sets the foundation for everything we'll be doing next. Now that we've got our blank invoice template ready, it's time to add a line item. This is simply the way you input what product or service you've sold. Make sure to include a detailed description along with the price. Clarity here helps your clients understand what they're being charged for and ensures you're clear on the details of each transaction. With our line item set, we can now move on to incorporating taxes. To do this, you'll want to look for the option that says Add Taxes. It might be tucked under the tax type, so don't worry if it's not immediately visible. Finding and selecting this option allows us to start specifying the taxes applicable to your invoice. If you haven't set up any taxes in the system yet, you'll need to enter the required tax name and rate at this point. This means inputting the details like your local sales tax, VAT, or any specific tax relevant to your business transactions. Freshbooks will usually prompt you to do this if no taxes are pre-configured. After entering the correct tax name and rate, the next logical step is to apply these taxes to your invoice. By hitting Apply Taxes, Freshbooks calculates the tax amount based on the rate you've entered and adds it to the invoice total. It's important to double-check this to ensure everything aligns with your expectations and the regulations you're adhering to. Finally, once you've confirmed that all the details are correct, save the invoice. Hitting Save finalizes the document and seals in all the information, including the taxes we just added. One great thing about Freshbooks is that once you've inputted tax information, it remembers it for future invoices, saving you time and effort later on. And there you have it, a complete run-through on how to add taxes to online sales in Freshbooks. This process not only aids compliance, but also ensures transparency and accuracy in your billing. Thanks for joining me today as we explored this vital business process. Happy invoicing, and I'll see you in the next video.